What up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today is a big day. Like I said, we have stuff coming up for the Lancer, and there it is. I'm gonna show you right now what it is. But today, like the title says, we're installing some TEIN coilovers on the Lancer. So I'll show you right now where they are. Before we start this vlog, I just want to let you guys know where I got these TEIN coilovers from. Is from Redline 360. This video is not sponsored by them, but I really like their product and I really like how they shipping and handling is. I really love their coilovers and their business, so I hope you guys go check them out. The link will be in the description below, so go check them out. They have anything from any car parts you guys need. Just go check them out, please. So these don't come with the mount, so you have to get the OEM one from your Lancer, and we're gonna install it. You put it here, and then you install it. So this is the front ones, the two front ones, and these are the readers. So for both of them, you have to put OEM mounts of them on them because they don't have the studs here. You have to get the ones from the Lancer that already has from the old suspension to the new one, this one. So let's go to the install. Alright guys, we took out the two tires, and now we're gonna start taking apart the little things that we had to take off so we can just take it off. And right now we're gonna take these off, the brake line here, and then take these off right here. This one's the main ones that hold this, but it's just so it can just fall apart, you know. And then we're gonna take these off, this right here, over there. So let's get to it. So we took out all of them, so now we're gonna remove it. So
de buenas prácticas, se ha emitido una advertencia precisamente sobre esto y los estafadores. Así que vamos a darle la bienvenida a Alex Hernández. Él nos cuenta un poco más sobre esta advertencia y qué debe de hacer usted para protegerse. Alex, adelante, buenos días.
Quítale la toca.
¿Qué tal, Diana? Buenos días. Pues como sabemos que llega el verano, lo que significa más festivales, conciertos y más eventos deportivos. Pero con esto también llegan las estafas. Por lo mismo, el Better Business Bureau está alertando a la comunidad sobre la venta de boletos falsificados y hasta mercancía.
So we're gonna do this right now. Take this so the spring doesn't, like, you know, get out and hit us. So we're doing this right now. Take this. This is the amount that we need. So we're gonna take this out with this one. We need this and this. So we're taking everything apart. My dad's gonna do it because I don't know how to do that shit.
Así que nublado la mayor parte de nuestra región con actividad de lluvia región, y el paso de esa débil banda frontal hay observamos para los próximos días posibilidad de lluvia para cada día de los próximos 5 días a través del área de Chicago.
Muy bien, muchísimas gracias, Gastón. Y ahora sí, es una invitación muy especial, y es que quiero que nos acompañe mañana en primera hora, porque vamos a arrancar el viernes chiquito con mucha música. Nos vamos a llenar del ritmo del grupo Puro Rap.
palito de naranja y delineado.
¡Qué padre! Muchas gracias. Me voy a sacar un 10.
Más te vale. Muchas de nada, Julia.
So that's how you guys do it for this side. Like that, you gotta keep it like that. Making pretty new suspension and everything. So let's go. So we adjusted them right now like this, so we can see what height is it, and then if it's too low, we're gonna go a little higher. But that should be good. But we will check right now. I'm gonna put the tires, and we're gonna do this one too. So you're gonna use, we gotta tie, I haven't tightened that one, so I'm gonna use the ones that come with it so you can tie them. So yeah. Alright guys, look at this shit, dude. This is how low it is. Look at this. It's gone. My fucking camera died, but look at this. Is it 2 finger? I mean, it's slammed, dude. That's slammed for me. I'm not going that low because I look at, y'all know, if y'all from Chicago, y'all know how fucked up this shit is. Look at this. Bam, how low is that? Look at that shit. Oh. Look at this. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that. Yeah, fuck, that looks wrong. Alright guys, I'll see you in a bit. I'm gonna do those backs. I'm gonna show you how to do those too. The fronts are done, so I'm gonna flip it around and bam. Alright, so that's gonna take it out right now because I wanna see how slimy it is when it goes through here. He's gonna put it in reverse. Oh, forgot the keys. Here. Oh, oh, yeah, look at those slides. Ooh, is it rubbing? Is it rubbing? Is it rubbing? No, no está raspando. Oh, good thing it's not rubbing, man. Look at this. Yeah, we didn't even get it. Look at this shit. Ooh, good thing we didn't do that much. Oh, it's scraped. This one, we're gonna take this one off. So we're gonna take this screw off. The one that's connected right here. I'm recording everything on my phone because my camera died. There, and then right here. I have to take that off, but it's right here, like there. We took the other one side already. My dad did it because I'm just showing you guys right now, but I want to do the other side next. But see, he took these off and then this one. So right now I'm gonna use that, the pulley. We're gonna use this, and I pull down. Pa abajo, no? I pull down, and he's gonna take it out. See, and then it's out. It's teamwork right here, man. All right, so I'm gonna do the other side. I'm just gonna show you this because I have to go to work, so I'm trying to rush this out. Me and him are trying to rush because I need to go to work. So like that. You have to put the jack so it can go on spot. There we go. You saw that? Hasta el martillo. Hit it with the hammer, slow. Alright, this is what you shouldn't do, boy. We don't have time for this, so we're gonna do it. Grab it like that, and don't let nobody be near it. That will happen if you're in the other. So this is the final look for the Lancer on the back. No gap, not even one finger fits here. Oh, there's two fingers, I think, or one. Oh, it looks pretty good though, like that. Ooh, no gaps, bro. That looks super nice. dad doing burnouts and shit. He was mad, but now he's happy. I don't know why. Because it looks nice. And he knows it looks nice. Look at that. Oh. Oh, shit and fist. That's how low it is. Damn, boy, that looks super nice. So that's Hey, so I lied. We're gonna go lower for the back because my dad said that doesn't look nice. So we're gonna go lower right now. We're gonna jack it up again and fix the thing. So let's. What's up, guys? It's Friday today, and I was gonna do some cinematics at my old high school because it's a good location to do cinematics for the Lancer. Because Saturday tomorrow is gonna rain. So I washed the car today for the cinematics video, you know, so I can show you how badass it looks when it's lower. Look, yeah, and I can't no more. So I got to hopefully pray it doesn't rain tomorrow. It's only a false alarm because I checked in the app, you know, the weather app, and it said it was gonna rain. So hopefully it doesn't rain because I really want to do the cinematics for you guys, and I watched it too, and it looks pretty nice. Look at that shit. Ooh, so see you tomorrow if it doesn't rain. If not, I'm sorry for this. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.